Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snake leather jackets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
As these beautiful python skins arrive, our team immediately begins the meticulous process of inspection.
This controlled tanning process ensures the skin's durability and flexibility, preparing them for the next stage of production.
Each skin is refined to preserve its natural pattern and luxury feel. Every jacket is inspected to meet the highest luxury standards.
And that's how snake leather jackets are made, Horty Hurled, from skin to luxury fashion. And that's how snake leather jackets are made, Fruto Pelcio, from skin to luxury fashion.